Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. So on today's tutorial, I'm gonna show you how to delete a profile on your Netflix account. So here I'm going to show you the tutorial on my Netflix mobile. I'm going to open the Netflix app first. So here is the Netflix, and after that you can just click on your profile first on the top right corner, and here click on manage profiles. So there are 3 profiles on my Netflix, and if I want to delete one of them, just click on the profile that I want to delete or that you want to delete, and here at the bottom there will be an option to delete the profile. So just click on that option, click on delete profile, and just like that the profile will be deleted from your Netflix. Okay guys, so that's all from me. If you get any question, feel free to drop them in a comment, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and also click on the thanks. Bye.